Scotch eggs are one of those dishes that have a cult following. They're a complete little handheld meal, you can make them ahead of time, and they have a long history as a perfect picnic food or for a packed lunch. To make them, you take a medium boiled egg, cover it all in sausage mince, roll it in breadcrumbs and then deep fry it for a beautiful crunchy coat and a jammy golden yolk centre. To get that perfect yolky centre, you will need to boil, ice and peel your perfect 6-minute egg and then dry them off, ready for their crumb coating. Take 500 grams of seasoned sausage mince and divide it into 4 portions. Flatten each one out in the palm of your hand to make a little nest for each boiled egg and then bring the sides up to enclose each egg. Now it's time to roll each one in some seasoned flour, some lovely whisked eggs and then into the panko crumbs to create that crunchy coat. Bring a large pot of deep frying oil to the boil and then gently lower each wrapped egg in, cooking them for about 6 minutes and turning as you go until they're crispy brown and golden all over. Let them cool a bit and then we're going to cut into that crispy shell to reveal the cooked mince and the beautiful jammy yolk. Here we go. Oh, so good. There's an absolute reason that they're a showstopper. They're a winner every time. Enjoy.